My beautiful and amazing people, hey, e don tey wey dem be dey talk am say the heart of man is desperately wicked. Once dem know talk say dem no fit catch you, dem no fit do you anything, dem go try their best to use other powers just to make sure say dem bring you down by all means. Now make una come hear shocking message wey Pastor Jerry Eze send for Regina Daniel on top of wetin kwanu because of say the girl wan liberate herself. She want to return back to entertainment. She want to carry that remaining 1% of the 1% that is left from her reputation wey the man don scatter, wan use am build herself. But Ipa dey try im best to make sure say im sha scatter her patapata, make nothing remain so that she go return back, or she go come dey wayward, or she go come enter the prepare wey at the end of the day na that time she go get reasons to blame her parents for not telling her the way forward, for allowing her enter into the marriage in the very first place. My beautiful and amazing people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter. We are all learning on daily basis, and in as much as say we dey learn, we will also pray for Regina Daniel, because she is only but a girl child who knows nothing about life, and she no come get mama wey go tell her say this is what will happen. Abi na because of say she be breadwinner na im make dey get limit to wetin dey fit tell her and the advice wey dey fit give her. I really do not know. But like this so, omo, e don be. Before I go cap una the koko of the cocoline, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use going to beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, omo, no be small thing o. Una know say na here where we sit down, na im Regina Daniel come out with a video where she dey kabash, dey pray to God with a video of Pastor Jerry Eze playing on the background, where she dey answer amen to the prayer wey Pastor Jerry Eze dey pray. Last now we come find out, they tell us say they even give her prayer points, give her fasting join am. Na that day be second to the last day wey she go do the prayer and fasting before she go meet am, make im finalize the prayer, do closing remark. And when she went there, we all heard what this man said. For people wey no dey follow from beginning, make una hear. This man did not even allow Regina Daniel explain herself. He already told her that whatsoever it is that she is passing through, God has already destined it to happen. That we all are living a scripted life. Now wetin God don write down, now we are only acting upon what God has written. So God already say it go happen. So we cannot start questioning God for what has happened. But the most important thing is that you have the ability to rewrite your story. So go and rewrite your story anyhow wey you take want am. This time around, you write and finish, communicate with your God, make una get balance. May you and your God communicate well, so that una go get that closure, and you go see everything will definitely work in place for you, and things will be going as planned. Now how it take tell Regina Daniel say make she no even explain to am wetin really happen, and that you know say one thing with this Regina Daniel or any marriage matter in totality, they get limits to wetin you go chook mouth put, because at the end of the day, me husband and wife no can use you set you use you catch cruise. You understand? So but I know to say Pastor Jerry Eze no even dey think go that angle. Wetin im just dey try talk be say if e say e wan start dey lis ten to Regina Daniel story, make she start dey talk am from beginning to the end. Na im be say im no be man of God, na amebo na im wan do, because everything don already dey internet where she don already dey talk am dey go before court come order dem say dem no wan see their matter for social media again until further notice, until they are able to finalize the matter and settle it amicably. They no wan see any Nedwoko do this, Nedwoko do that, Regina Daniel do this, Regina Daniel do that. They no wan see am again for social media. So he don already know everything. So e no need make she come dey explain. Wey make am just go straight to the point, say let her go and pray. If it is the will of God that she is not going back to a past place, God will definitely show her. But if it is the will of God that she still have a purpose to achieve there, so be it. Na how Regina Daniel take collect prayer, waka go house, go continue with her thing wey she dey do. Now una know say Regina Daniel come tell us say na she produce a movie wey dem post for Uche Obinabo TV. Title of the movie, Love Me Twice. So the movie come clock up to 8 million plus views. Regina Daniel come out, come appreciate people, saying that say they just unlock something for her wey even she be no know say she get as option. She appreciate her fans, appreciate everybody, saying that she no ever believe, but this very level where they don't carry her go, so say na God na im go bless her fans. Say she dey go open her YouTube channel where she go dey give them premium. She go dey give us as e dey hot, make we dey feed our eyes, and she get lot of story wey be say she go wan carry us along with. People ma come dey even dey happy say no how she go later tell her story of wetin happen for Ipa house. So they are ready to follow in the story. So they are waiting to hear from her end and follow her story bomber to bomber. Na how they finalize matter be that too. Now a video of Regina Daniel come surface again, where na she come post am by herself. She, her cast and crew member, including Clinton Joshua, wey be Nollywood actor, where she don show say she come write am say Regina Daniel TV active, producing, ready to bring something unique, something that you guys are never are never seeing coming. So make una keep una fingers crossed. Omo, meaning she don enter production back to back. Na him Pastor Jerry Eze, according to the information right now, saying that he have seen on her head that she should be very, very careful with the kind of people wey she go even bring come her location set, and she should be careful of the food that she eats and how she move around. That he's seeing some trace of danger in Regina Daniel's circle, and this danger is coming from people she know, people that don't want her, people that want to see her suffer. Na in the danger they come from. So, but he has prayed that anything he see and he prayed about will never come to manifestation, but that she should still pray non-stop and let her not leave her God at this point in time, that she need God more than ever before. If there is anything she should play with right now, it shouldn't be God. Make she make sure say she dey follow God bomber to bomber. Now they say Regina Daniel, immediately she heard the message from the man of God, she started shedding tears, asking the man of God that what if she don't do wrong to deserve all this? That is she not too young for all this drama put together? That why are people after her progress, after the little thing which she dey try to use her life do? Because she don't reason and say for how long she will continue to go dey shoot for people, dey act with people, how much will they won't pay her to meet up her daily life, and so on and so forth. So she decide to open her own. Say no be today e dey her mind. Already we know say this girl get her craft right from childhood, and na that her craft na im really help Ipa put Ipa into this politics wey im dey like this. So as a senator, na her influence really help the man. Nothing wey anybody wan tell me. Regina Daniel and her mama influence really help him. And no be today she don dey carry her career dey come. She say no be today she wan open her YouTube channel, but Ipa did not give her the room to do that. And na him promise her say he will not stop her from doing what he knows how to do. But last last, he later still stop her, make she no do wetin dey her mind. Reasons best known to him. But last last, as she comot now, wey she come see am say omo that one remaining puzzle, e go a very long way for her. It will really change so many things. And Ipa too don dey see am say it will really change a lot. He is not happy, he is not okay, he is not comfortable. So he's doing everything humanly possible to frustrate the process so that the girl go look left, look right. She go later return, because na wetin Regina Daniel bin talk be that. Say Ipa go wan do you something, e go dey do you, dey blow you breeze, so that people no go know say na wetin dey sup be this. But since she don let them know now, they go dey very very watchful. Since he don let her know, e no go come to pass according to Pastor Jerry Eze. Now make una help me ask this man, say wetin he wan carry Regina Daniel down for do. If she go down for life now and start all over again, starting all over again, becoming poor and wretched, what will he gain? What will be his gain? Because omo, I no understand why this man is so bitter and angry. Say Regina Daniel break his ego. Why he's just so pain and bitter that Regina Daniel went extra mile to make sure say she break in wings. But last last, it is what it is. Thank God for the life of Pastor Jerry Eze to have seen this prophecy for her. Even me, I be don dey talk am before now, say as she don dey gather people like this, so she need to be very very careful of Judas. People wey be say na to destroy na dem sabi. She should be very careful of them, because they no mind to go extra mile just to make sure say dem ridicule her, make sure say dem destroy her brand, make sure say dem turn her back to square zero. But the more they plan am, the more God dey scatter am. Because if not for the will of God, if not for God's mercy, Pastor Jerry Eze for no see this one wey im go come tell Regina Daniel so. And God too love her. He doesn't want anything evil to happen to her. That's why they dey see all these things they come dey tell her. Let God's name continue to be perfect in our life. Let there be perfection from above and on high, and so shall it be. All thanks to Pastor Jerry Eze once again for doing this, for bringing her closer, and also for standing with her for your prayer, making sure say you guide her through, be her guardian and her prayer strength also. Because omo, e no easy normally to fight Ipa. E no easy. It takes only the grace of God, and that grace go later set Regina Daniel free by the special grace of God. My people, na the thing be this o, wey make my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. I am like, now wow, it is well. My people, make una come, make we interact with the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. And remember your humble gifted is now make we gonna later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.